important foods that can help you to live longer. Eggs and grits aside, there are food that are eaten routinely enough may help extend a person's life. Science has found that antioxidant for one can combat age-related issues like heart disease and some cancers. Nature has supplied us with a galaxy worth of these molecules in the form of delicious whole food like berries, garlic and many others. Check out the list below to discover what food researchers have associated with living long and prospering. Then get a huge bowl, wipe up a few dig and live your best life. Broccoli. Vegetables such as broccoli contain cancer-preventing chemicals like sulforaphane. In one study, broccoli eaters were found to live longer than those who did not include the veggies in their diets. A recent study found that eating just a handful of nuts every day could help extend a person's lifetime. Specifically, nut munchers were found to be a lower risk of dying from life-threatening diseases like diabetes and cancer. Beets. These beauties are rich in a compound called betaine, which are also linked with anti-inflammatory powers. Tomatoes. This juice fruit has long been associated with health. Americans eat a lot of tomatoes and tomato products, and that's good thing. They have been shown a lower risk of some cancers, cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. Tomatoes are good sources of vitamin C and boost credible amount of antioxidant called lycopene. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries and the like provide sweet burst of flower, powerful amount of antioxidant which help protect against aging. Specifically, berries contain an antioxidant called anthocyanin that support brain function and muscle retention. Olive oil. The Mediterranean diet, in which olive oil is the star, has been highlighted as one of the world's healthiest way of eating. These oils' healthy fat have been found to help combat age-related cognitive decline. Salmon. Eaten however you would like it. Whether this is in sushi or a bagel, this fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They have been shown to protect against cognitive decline and reduce inflammation. Spicy food. If you like it hot, you might be able to enjoy the spicy of life for quite some time. A recent published study from China found that those who eat spicy food like pepper are less likely to die early. These researchers also found that these spicy food eaters were at a lower risk of death from cancer and heart disease. Green tea. If you don't have to swap your coffee for tea, but don't consider adding a cup of green stuff to your diet beverage rotation. Both green and black teas contain catechins which can help to protect your heart. One Japanese study found that heavy green tea drinkers or those who drink at least pint a day tend to live longer because they face lower risks of heart disease and stroke. Garlic. Garlic makes just about any savory meals taste better, and you might as well add it, eating it in life-extending potential. Garlic is packed with antioxidant and is thought to help regulate blood pressure. Spinach. Popeye knows what goods. A recent study found researchers attribute that benefit of veggies high vitamin K content. Avocado. Go ahead, keep making that avocado toast. The superfood has been shown to help decrease stress and may potentially combat some cancers. Apples. Apples are another great sources of antioxidants. To really milk an apple for all its worth, to be sure attend the skin, where many of the nutrition can be found. The fruit also contains fiber, which serve a healthy digestive system and can be help prevent heart disease.